Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we will see how to connect iPhone or Android mobile mic to laptop or PC. Let me start. Open the browser and go to the website WO mic. Once you search in the Google, you will get the first page which is showing WO mic free microphone. Click on the link and you land on the main page. Here you can see all the instruction that you can turn your phone into a real microphone. You no need to buy extra accessories. You can save some bucks. Here, this is the instruction how to connect your mobile phone through wireless. Now, you can go on the left side menu, download option, and click the download. And you have to follow the steps. For I am using iPhone, so I follow the steps to install the VC runtime redistributable file. You have to download that file, and once you download the second file, third file also, which is wo mic installer for Windows. Download both the file and make sure you install it. Once the installation is done, then we can begin how to set up the file. For me, I already been installed this both the file, so I can go to the next step. Now you can see that I have downloaded again just for the link which I clicked. Now go to your mobile, which is iPhone or Android. Go to the App Store and search WO mic. Once you found the app, click get and download in your iPhone. Just wait for it to download, authenticate it. Once it's download, kindly open it and we can configure easily. It's open now. Currently it's showing stopped because we have not initiated. Now go to the desktop which you have already installed the both software. Here in the desktop screen you can see WO mic. Double click the WO mic and right side in the mobile app click the start button. Then it will show you the IP address. Just copy the same IP address in the box which should be in the same Wi-Fi. Once you click connect, it will be connecting. Then in the mobile, it will ask you to allow the application to record. Now it's connected. Now you can able to see this WO mic in the microphone settings. Go to the audio settings in your system and you can find the input device as a WO mic.